Hello everyone, welcome to Soros's classes. So in this video again we'll be focusing ourselves on a question for pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So this time round, if you talk about the QA section in general, the paper seemed to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that we have seen put forward this year round. They seem to be a little bit on the difficult end as well. So which is quite evident from the question in front of us. So let's take a look at the question and then try to solve the same. The LCM of three positive integer x, y, z is 119 square. So find the total number of ordered triplets x, y and z. Okay. So here we can see LCM is given as 119 square. So which can be written as 17 square into 7 square. Okay. 17 square into 7 square. Okay. So therefore the powers of 17 in this case would simply be 17 to the power 0, 17 to the power 1, 17 to the power 2, and okay, so this is the power of 17, and the powers of 7 in this regards would again be 7 to the power 0, 7 to the power 1, 7 to the power 2. Okay, now we have three triplets, three variables, basically three numbers in general. We have x, we have y, and we have z. Okay, and then we have two numbers which we have to distribute basically, and now we have to distribute 17 square and 7 square between them. Okay, so first let's take the case for say 17 square. Okay, so try and see, these are two identical items. Okay, so these are two identical items and these are three different boxes. So we can use the simple distribution format of identical items into different boxes. So that concept we can use in this regards. So 17 square can be distributed in x, y and z, each of these three in 3 to the power 3 ways. Okay, why? Because there are three in 17 square we have these three elements 0, 1 and 2. So 17 square can be distributed in this in 3 to the power 3 ways. Okay, however, from this case we need to subtract the cases where only 17 to the power 0 and 17 to the power 1 have been distributed. Okay, so we basically in this regard, so what we do is we subtract these two cases. Okay, these two cases we actually subtracted because all we are considered 17 square. So subtract 17 to the power 0 and 17 to the power 1. So that can be this thing can be distributed, 17 was distributed in x, y and z in similar concepts, different boxes and identical balls. That concept I am using. So this can be done is 2 to the power 3 ways. Okay, so therefore total number of ways for 17 square to be distributed, total number of ways for 17 square to be distributed will be 3 cube minus 2 cube, that is 19. Okay, similarly if I use a similar concept for 7 square, it will again be 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to 19. Okay, so similar cases will be found. So therefore total ordered pair, total number of ordered pair would be 19 into 19 equal to 361, which will be our answer. Okay, simple. The concept that we have used in this regard is of probability. So if you're not aware of that, kindly go through our discussions on the same as well. You might find it in the playlist of the channel as well. So we simply, what we did was, initially we took the entire thing, entire power for 2 cube. We have taken all these three powers. Okay, wherein we included 17 to the power 0, 17 to the power 1, but 17 to the power 2 as well. But then again we subtracted these two cases because we don't need them here. See, we are only concerned with to the power 2. So we subtracted the cases in which 17 to the power 1 and 17 to the power 0 is concerned. So 2 to the power cube is again subtracted. Okay, so this is our final answer, option B. So this might seem a little tricky. So in case you are aware of the concept that I have talked about, things will come in very easy to you as far as this question is concerned. In case you are having difficulty, just go through the concept. You will find multiple playlists on the same as well, and subsequently then try and attempt this question. This should come in pretty easier for you. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us for that. And also, if you are looking for any kind of help or guidance with respect to your competitive exam preparation, or need some kind of guidance or explanation with any subject or topic, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay. Having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.